Hello all, let us see how to solve this particular problem. So basically what is given here are two transistors T1 and T2 where each have a current gain of 100. This is nothing but the beta and the threshold voltage is nothing but beyond which the MOSFET starts conducting is given as 1 volt, and the device parameters K1 and K2, the conductivity parameters are given by 36 microamps per volt square for T1 and 9 microamp per volt square for T2. So now basically we have to calculate the V naught. So because the threshold and the K parameters have been provided for these MOSFETs, basically if you want to calculate the drain current, basically it's a drain to source, right? Drain current, this is calculated by using VDS K half into K VGS minus VT whole square. Now this can again be written as VG can be written as VG minus Vs minus Vt whole square. So the same formula holds good for both the transistors. Now one has to understand that basically for MOSFETs, because of the insulating layer, the input impedance of MOSFET is very high. So that means there will be the current that is drawn from the drain terminal that gets divided into the gate is very minimal. That means if this is I, example, the entire current can be said as flowing to the drain terminal, because this is very less leakage current that flows into the gate. So that means the I flows till here, right? And the same current flows through the T2. So that means if you consider this as IDS1, then this would be IDS2, that means drain to source current. Considering that the gate current is very less, we can say IDS1 is equal to IDS2. That means using that formula, half into K1 into Vg minus Vs minus Vt, we will say Vg1, Vs1, Vt1 whole square is equal to half into K2 into Vg2 minus Vs2 minus Vt1 Vt2 whole square. So basically Vt is nothing but 1 volt, that is what the threshold is provided. That means half into K1 into Vg. Here Vg1 is nothing but the input voltage 5 volts, and Vs is nothing but the output voltage V0 minus 1 whole square is equal to half into K2 into Vg2. Here is nothing but the V0, right? Vs is 0 here, minus 0 minus 1 whole square. Now on both sides half gets cancelled, and K1 is nothing but 36, right? K2 is 9, so that means 9 and 36 gets cancelled, 4. So if you do square root on both the sides, this becomes 2. Square root of 4 is 2. 5 minus V0 minus 1 is equal to V0 minus 1. Okay, so 10 minus 2 V0 minus 2 is equal to V0 minus 1. Okay, so if you take this side, 3 V0 is equal to if you take 1 here, 11 minus 2, which is nothing but 9. So V0 comes as 3 volts. So considering the given scenario with the two transistors, the output is nothing but 3 volts. So here basically the major assumption is that it's not assumption, basically it's the property of the MOSFET. The current that is drawn by the gate of this MOSFET is negligible, and the current flowing in T1 and T2 can be said as same. Okay, And one more important consideration before using this formula is that the transistors are considered to be in saturation state. Thank you.